Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today what we're going to do is unbox and test a 24 inches curved gaming monitor that costs less than $100 or around 4,600 pesos here in the Philippines. And guys, please don't quote me with the word gaming because that is what is actually mentioned in the box, that it is a curved gaming monitor. Okay, and the brand is Nvision. This is the first time I'm hearing about that one, and the reason why I tell you earlier that don't quote me with the word gaming, because a lot of you will tell me that this is not a gaming monitor because this is just 75 Hz refresh rate, and most of you will tell me that a gaming monitor should be at least 120 Hz refresh rate. Okay, and let's unbox this one. And guys, this is a BA panel monitor, and it's already 1080p Full HD, because some of the monitors that I know is around 720p or just HD plus, and that is not really good for gaming or watching movies, or but for homeschooling or office activity, that is also good. But for gaming and watching movies on a 720p, it's not my thing. Okay, and let's see what's inside. Okay, what else is mentioned in the box? It's 23.8 screen size, panel type BA, 75 Hz refresh rate, response times of 5 milliseconds, and 1080 Full HD. And what else? Okay, I think that's all, and let's try to check what are included in the box. Okay, and what we have here is the power brick. Okay, and I think it's light because it's cheap. And wow, this is the bracket. Actually, I really like the design of the bracket for this monitor. It's light. And how do I fix this one? Is there a screw? Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, that's it. And I think there should be a screw. Okay, there is one. Okay, and I'll do that one later, but this is the base of the monitor. And let's see the actual monitor. Okay, I was really hoping for a white one, but I was not able to. I didn't mention it from the seller, so instead I got the black one. Okay, and let's see that one, and that one, and that one. Wow, it's so light, I can hold it with one hand, and actually it looks good. It looks premium, guys. Okay, LED monitor, and I'll try to just insert this one. Is it easy to install? Okay, and there you have it, guys. I'll try to pull my wow, and actually it looks good, and I hope it performs good as well. Okay, you can tilt it up and down. Okay, and there you go. And okay, I forgot to mention the ports that is available for this monitor. It have a HDMI and BGA port, and for the power adapter socket. Okay, and let's try to test and compare it actually, guys, with my other BA monitor, which is a Benq monitor, also around 60 to 75 refresh rate. I'm not sure actually, but we're going to check and test on the performance, if it's pleasing to the eye, or is it really good in terms of image quality and something like that. And let's test it now. Guys, I would just like to inform you that there is a plastic peeling on in front of this monitor, and let's try to take it off. Okay, and you have to be careful because I believe the one on the bottom part is actually inserted. So, okay. Okay, and remove the plastic. And let's test it. Okay guys, and right now we're going to do a color test and see side-by-side comparison of the two monitor, which is on the left side it's the Nvision curved monitor, while on the right side it's the Benq GW2270 model. And I'll also include on the description below the link on this YouTube color test, so you can also check if the color that you are currently seeing is actually accurate or not. And for me, the one on the left side for the Nvision is actually darker compared to the right side, which is much more lighter. I'm not sure if color accuracy is good on the left or on the right, but it is really up to you to decide if that is a good color saturation. Okay, and as you can see, the black is actually much darker on the Benq, even though some of the color earlier are lighter than on the left side. Okay guys, and right now you're able to see the monitor of Benq. Okay, and this is the monitor of Benq, and if you can see, the color and the performance of the monitor is actually good. It's not that bad, but the color is actually okay. Okay, I'm trying to dodge the counter-terrorists, and I'll try to move now on the Benq monitor and see for yourself if that Benq is have a better color saturation. Oh, I'm dead. I'm sorry. Okay, and as you can see, that is the color saturation from the Benq. And let's try to check side by side on which do you prefer, the Benq or the Nvision. Okay guys, actually I have already tried to change the settings for the Nvision, and for the brightness, standard, movie, game. This is already set to game. And let's try to check the other settings. Okay, and color temperature maybe. User warm, cool, user warm, cool. Okay, and I think that is the best display that settings on the display that we can do. And you can see the difference for both monitor. Let's try to buy AK. Okay, and there you have it guys. And you have seen it guys, the Nvision and the Benq monitor. Okay, let's try to talk about the Nvision monitor because it is the recent monitor that we have purchased. And for the price range, actually it is really good considering it is just 4,600 pesos for a 24-inch curved gaming monitor. Okay, and for the gaming experience, actually it's not that bad, but it's not really a gaming experience that I'm looking for, because earlier I tried to game Counter-Strike CSGO online, and one thing that I find interesting that it is really bright compared to my Benq monitor. And another thing is when I tried to play Modern Warfare, the scenery or the clip, there is really a bright color, and doing it side by side, I found out that there are some pixelation on bright colors coming from the Nvision monitor. And that is only my experience. So in terms of choosing between the two, I'll still be choosing the BenQ monitor for gaming and the other one just for regular work from home or maybe homeschooling. That is actually already good for that one, but for gaming I wouldn't really recommend it for gaming for me. Okay, and I believe guys that's all that I can share with you regarding this monitor. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you like the video, and comment on the comment section below. Okay, and have a great day and stay safe guys. Bye.